Everybody, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Wednesday, August the 18th. We are breaking Box Slabbed Comics. It's a one-box break. We randomed up our two remaining cases. Got case number 1, which is boxes 1 through 10. Randomed up those and numbers. Number 1 is what we got. We did random month sales for this on your right, just there. We have already randomized months, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a chance to trade, but nobody ever trades months. I'm just double checking there, making sure no one's going to make me a laugh. Alright, here we go. Best of luck to you all. Again, first box of a fresh case. Let's see what we're going to get. Well, bam, going to be a Ghost Rider number 2. October is your month. It is a 7-0 grade there, guys. That is the first appearance of Damien Hellstorm, son of Satan, guys. Said I don't think that's going to be a monster hit for us, guys, but still should be a decent, solid hit. Ghost Rider 2. So not a monster hit, guys, but far from a bad hit. Again, $170 on Go Collect there. So bam, $170 on October, folks. Who the hell hit October? Wow, man, Steve. Steve has always had some luck in the comics. Him and Golf seem to hit comics really darn well there. I am so sorry, everybody else, man. Steve, I've been taking a bunch of the last ones he's been in there. Take on. Sorry about this noise, guys. Very sorry, everybody else. Do appreciate you all helping us get that broke, but Steve S. has been dominating the last few comic breaks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. Y'all have a wonderful night.